look at this AI application here, which can pretty much summarize anything for you, whether it be audio, PDF files, or anything. Watch a full video, guys. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and here down here you can auto summarize and link it to also your meetings, and it will pretty much listen to all the meetings and give you a summary of that meetings for you. So if you tap on new summary down here, you can either, let me just go back, you can either send a message and it will analyze it and give you a summary of that message that you have given it. Also, not just record or audio, you can use PDF files or recording that you have saved, or also you can speak and tell them about your day, what you need to get done, and they will also organize it or summarize it for you. So not just audio recordings, you can use PDF files. Let's say you have a document for a classwork, you can summarize that long list of documents to give you pretty much the important points within that document. And not just that, you can also connect to your Google Calculator. So if you have anything within that meeting, it will pretty much schedule it for you within the, not the calendar. It will pretty much schedule it for you within the calendar. So it will set the date and everything for you. So the favorite section here as well, you have the folder option here, and down here, nothing much down here, but once the order is recorded, you can just pretty much tap on it and we'll see the information and the key points and so forth. So let's tap on this option here. You can also download the audio and delete it. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that one. Same thing for this. You can either, if it's a file or PDF file, you can rename it, add it to your favorite, or move it to somewhere else. With the Pro subscription, you pretty much get, as you can see here, you also get a 7 days free trial. So do make sure you enable the free trial option there. As you can see, you get a 3-day free trial. Sorry about that. Thought it was 7 days, but 3 days free trial, then you start paying the weekly fee. So that's it pretty much. I can see what you here will be getting. So not just one language, it supports all languages and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for this tutorial. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. If you want help on anything relating to this application, comment below. And I will see you guys in the next one.